Now here we are going to write the fractions that we learned. 1 upon 2, next fraction 1 upon 4, and the third fraction 3 upon 4. Now 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2, the number 1 above the line is the numerator. So the number above the line is the numerator. The number below the line, that is 2, 2 is the denominator. 1 upon 2 is read as 1/2 or 1 upon 2. So we read the fraction as 1/2 or 1 upon 2. The next fraction, 1 upon 4. The number above the line, that is 1. So 1 is the numerator. The number below the line, that is 4. 4 is the denominator. So 1 upon 4 is read as 1/4 or 1/4 or 1 upon 4. Now the next fraction, 3 upon 4. The number above the line is the numerator. The number below the line is the denominator. 3 upon 4 is read as 3/4 or 3 upon 4. So 3/4 or 3 upon 4. Now here there are two figures. A circular disc is divided into 5 equal parts and 3 of its parts are colored. The colored parts of the disc is shown as 3 upon all the parts together, that is 5. Now we are going to take each part, that is 1 upon 5, that is 1/5 of the part, plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 taken 3 times will give me the fraction 3 upon 5. So when an object is divided into 5 equal parts and 3 of them are taken, that part is shown as 3 upon 5. Now here the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. 5 equal parts and 3 are the colored parts that is taken. So 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now the next figure. This strip has 6 equal parts in all and 2 of its parts are colored, which means 2 upon 6 of the strip is colored. Now here the number 6 gives the total number of equal parts and 2 gives the number of parts taken, that is the shaded part. So in this fraction, 2 upon 6, 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Now we write it as 2 parts taken. So 1 upon 6 plus next part taken 1 upon 6. So 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 taken twice gives 2 upon 6. 2 shaded parts and 6 parts in all. Now here 2 chapatis of the same size have to be divided equally between 3 girls, that is between Sadhana, Preeti and Anushka. So now we are going to divide these 2 chapatis equally among the three girls. The two chapatis will be divided into three equal parts. One part of each chapati will be given to Sadhana, Preeti and Anushka. So here, as you can see, it is equally divided into three parts. Now we'll divide the next chapati into three equal parts so that it is equally distributed between the three girls, so that all three get equal share of the chapati. So here we get three equal shares of the chapati. Now we are going to divide it. First chapati, Sadhana gets one part of the chapati, Preeti gets one part of the chapati, and Anushka gets one part of the chapati. Equal distribution of the chapati. So we will write it. 1/3 of the chapati is given to Sadhana, 1/3 of the chapati is given to Preeti, and 1/3 of the chapati is given to Anushka. Now we go on with the second chapati. Here again, one part goes to Sadhana, one part is given to Preeti, and one part is given to Anushka. So here again, Sadhana gets another 1/3 part of the chapati, Preeti gets another 1/3 part of the second chapati, and Anushka gets also 1/3 part of the second chapati. So here we see all three girls get equal share of both the chapatis. Sadhana gets 1/3 plus 1/3, Preeti also gets 1/3 plus 1/3, and Anushka also gets 1/3 plus 1/3. So all three of them get equal share. So 1/3 plus 1/3 gives me 2/3. Here again, 1/3 plus 1/3 gives me 2/3, and 1/3 plus 1/3 gives me 2/3. So now two bakris are divided between three girls. Each girl gets 2/3 of the chapati. Preeti gets 2/3 of the chapati, Anushka gets 2/3 of the chapati, and Sadhana too gets 2/3 of the chapati. Now, what does 2/3 mean? How can we explain it in different ways? First, 2 parts out of 3 equal parts of an object. Here the object was the chapati, which was divided equally among the 3 girls. Another way of explaining 2/3 is 1/3 twice, which also means 1/3 plus 1/3, and which also means twice taken 1/3. So one is by addition way, one is by multiplication way. Another way to explain 2/3 is equal division of two objects. Here the two objects were two chapatis. So equal division of two objects between 3 people. Who are the 3 people? Yes, Sadhana, Preeti and Anushka. So equal division of two chapatis between Sadhana, Preeti and Anushka.